My name's Brett Edwards. I'm head of franchising at Dum Dum Donuts. Dum Dum Donuts is the only baked donut in the world. Our founder, Paul Hurley, spent 20 years figuring out how to bake a donut, actually patented the process. We're growing this business through equity stores in the UK, but is also inviting franchise partners in to help us grow a lot quicker, both here in the UK and internationally in Dubai, Qatar and Saudi Arabia. So when we looked at the iiko system, there was a number of features that we wanted to focus in on. One was the ability to be able to forecast our product ordering. Our product is fresh every day. If we don't sell out, it's waste. So it's key that we understand the historical sales data and can forecast our ordering going forward. So because we can control that centrally, when we launch a new product range, overnight everything changes on the till systems for all our stores. They don't need to worry about the configuration and the setup. Because it's web-based and we can access that anywhere, that gives us instant access to our business. Every day I get an email update on my iPhone of all of our store sales. That not only saves time, it gives me confidence of our operations and how we're performing in the network. So iiko in store for our team is a very simple to use application. The product is consistent across all the stores and it's laid out in a way that naturally allows them to take them through a sales process. So the system will actually show them the special offers. So we don't need to prompt them to remember that, the system is reminding them to do that. A member of staff can join the team and within 30 minutes be very confident in selling our product to customers and using the iiko system for that. As a fast growing business, we need a partner that's running with us. And what we found with iiko is that they support us in everything that we do and we can rely on them to take our franchisees through that journey. I think as we grow, we're finding that the iiko relationship is becoming key to how we operate. Not just because it's about collecting cash and doing sales, but it is the centre of our processes in store. We know we have an amazing product. It is the best donut in the world. But we have to have a process that takes our staff through ordering, selling, stock control, serving the customer. And if there's one thing that's used in every transaction, it is the iiko application. We don't want to be having to create a new process every time a new store comes on. And by spending that time early on, creating that process, we now find we're in a situation where we can roll out very quickly from one store to the next store consistently. So for an iiko as our central management system, we as the franchisor like to be able to see what's going on all our stores. We want to be able to compare across the various stores the P&L, the cost of sales, the cost of goods, what percentage of the operating stores are staff costs. We also want to be able to rank very quickly our stores and see those that are performing well and those that may need some extra support from the franchisor in generating more sales. Focusing on products. Certain products will sell better in other stores, certain stores will do very well at upselling. And if we can see this data across all the stores in a consistent format, that allows us to target as franchisor our support with those individuals and pick up those that need extra help. And I think what ourselves, our franchisees and the in-store team have found is that support level from the team. We're not just another account. They really understand our business. They also help us come up with solutions.